Here's our little schnapsykins waiting in the water's edge. Hello. What's that, Naps? What's that, Naps?
On my phone screen more than real life. Always after 5. I'm trying to keep my nose clean. I'm worried that it won't be like you described. There's no disguise. I'm caught in ebb and flow. No matter how hard I try, I never find paradise. You're iridescent gold. I can only fantasize. Never a waste of time.
The waterline on this boat's next level.
Hi. Hi. Why is it so wobbly? This one's very wobbly, huh?
It's very wobbly.
Wait, she takes us back and then it's all snapped off. Just swim, man. Squelchy bottom sound horrible.
That it won't be like you described. There's no disguise.
Floating. Oh, really?
Proper gold.
Look at very cold. Come and have a cable now.
Hello, have you met my husband?
No, we are wet.
You're all wet, so you may as well have a paddle.
He's complaining that he can't get to No, that he can't get to his humans. He doesn't want to get to this water. I can promise you.
No, not schnapps.
Oh, Cass.
Whoa.
What would it me?
Gary is also putting fish in the
Are they?
Blinded